Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel. On today's Hi tutorial, we'll be covering proper eyelash curling for beginners and doll-like eyelash making. No need for extensions for lash perms if you pay attention and follow these easy tips. This is must-watch video for those with only few thin lashes like me. Shall we start it? Step 1. Eyelash curler. First off, we'll focus on curling all lashes with a curler. If you don't be careful, you will experience the nightmare of pinching your eyelid. It's important to not keep your hand too tense. Keep your focus on the tail of your lashes and pinch downwards. Pinch 4 to 5 times as you slowly move out. And once again. Don't forget the lashes on the start of your eyes. If you pinch too hard in one go, only the roots of your lashes will curl up, which means it leaves you with shooting up lashes. I present you the perfect C-curl lashes. Your eyes will look much more defined only with curl-up lashes. Now, the other side. Some people curl their underlashes as well, but for me, I've got really short underlashes, so I'm just gonna skip it. Step 2. Screw brush. Using a screw-type brush, brush your lashes and untangle them. From the roots, brush in a zigzag motion. Step 3. Mascara Fixer. This Etude House Mascara Fixer was mentioned several times in the other videos. It is a thick textured, transparent mascara that fixes the lashes curl and give lashes more volume. Don't forget to start from the roots and move up. Step 4. Mascara. You can use any type of mascara that you fancy. It can be a long lash mascara or a volume mascara, depending on your preference. I'll be using my favorite, the Peripera Ink Black Cara, as if you are painting the curved lashes with the black paint, move up from the root. Step 5. Tweezers. You can stop there, but if you want the doll-like lashes, this here is a secret K-beauty makeup tip. Using a tweezer, gather a few lashes together and create a cuter doll eye look. You can also emphasize the effect by applying some mascara on the tweezer. Step 6. Heated curler. This is another K-beauty tip for extra curl fixation. You can use the wooden toothpick and heat it up with a lighter. Once it's heated enough, press it against your lashes. The heat will also melt down any bunched up mascara. Be careful not to burn yourselves. So that was the Hi tutorials for doll-like eyelash making for today. How was it? Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and you will get the perfect curl you want. If this video helped, please press like and subscribe. And if you have any other tutorials you would like to see, leave them in the comments below. Bye beauties, let's be pretty!